Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to create a blog in less than 10 minutes using the Hostinger WordPress AI Content Creator. This is a great tool to get you set up and running really fast. So here we are jumping right in. Once you have a Hostinger account, you basically just have to click this button and go through this little wizard that kind of helps you answer a few questions to get your website up and running. So we're going with WordPress. That's why we want to make a blog. This is my login information. Just put in your email address and your password, and off you go. That's what it's going to create. You select blog. Again, what type of website do you want to build? And then you can go into here. You can get pre-built pages. We're going to go, let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can find something pretty neat here. Actually, let's take the Jacob Smith. We're going to make like a personal blog type, influencer blog. You can get these plugins if you want. These are recommended ones or not. I usually get the Google Sitekit. That's a really good one. And the all-in-one SEO is also really good. Forms, up to you. Again, so we're going to click next. We're going to put a brand name in here. So we're going to call this let's call it the marketing stream blog. Like this is our agency blog. So marketing stream blog is a website so let's say it's all about startups, growth, marketing, and sales funnels, let's say. Okay, so we're going to give us a little bit of description. This is all they're going to use to generate some content to get us started. We don't have a domain name, so we're just going to use a temporary one. It just gives us a quick URL to get going here, just so it can provision a server. So you're going to get a Hostinger account on here, which is your whole server that's going to run your WordPress content management system. So as you can see, it's installing WordPress onto that host, creating all the credentials that we just gave them some information for. And about halfway through this process, it's going to start actually building out the theme, building out some of the content and pages just to get started. So very base level on a blog. And then once that's done, we can get in there and we can start to just modify it and get it working fairly quickly. After you've done all this, you can, of course, get a domain attached to this. You could have done that at the beginning, where if you have a domain or you want to transfer a domain from another domain register, very simple to use with the Hostinger account. So again, we're adding the styles, it's pulling in images and, really building the website. Again, looking at the time, we're like 3 minutes in here, and, we've only done a few keystrokes and a little bit of content writing to get us going. Here we are. So now we're seeing the hosting panel in Hostinger, and you can see our website here. This is the temporary website that gave us right on the Hostinger site. And you can get into your admin panel here. So we'll click on that to get started. But let's just look and see what it built right off the bat. I think we're still going to need to do some configuration, but let's just see what we got right out the bat. So Jacob Smith, professional video blogger. Look at this. We got a blog set up. So there's a bit of, placement text in here, placement pictures in the back. So again, if you're a great videographer type blog. So here's a vlog actually using images and pictures. Again, you obviously have to go in and change all of this, but this gives you at least a starting point where you can talk about your gear, whatever it is. So again, depending on your niche and what you're writing your blog about, you obviously have to change the content in here, but you got a full structure and a beautiful design, ready to go. Your About Us page, the vlog itself, all on a single page thing here. You even got some contact us pages, probably you can go out to, contact. So again, all this needs to be changed, to suit your needs, but you're already like 90% of the way there. So taking this page, once we get into the background here in your WordPress account, here's where you can see all the details. So we now have our welcome to WordPress. There's a whole bunch of great templates that you can use to build out even a bigger website if you need. But this here is your WordPress kind of main back end here. We'll just clean things up so you can see how everything's working here. There we are. And so we can go into the pages right off the bat and look at the home page that we just had there. So if you want to open this up, this is where you can go to easily just get customizing, the copy in there. So we'll do this real quick. Once it opens, WordPress has a great block editor. We're not going to go through that, but you can go through the tutorial and we can literally change this up. They've got a video background that you can change here. All this text can be changed to, what you want for your business. So very, very quick to get going from here. Now, if you don't really like this design and that the theme wasn't kind of what you were looking for, you can always go back and you can check out the new themes. Now that all this is set up, WordPress has, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of themes. And so if you're looking for a specific blogger theme, again, they're all here. Everything you could want to really get up and running, get that blog, out and published very quickly. So again, that's your main account. That took us, I think, less than 6 minutes to get that up and running. There's lots of other things you can do. You can customize, that existing one through the customize menu. There's probably a few things that need to be done. Again, once you change your, your domain name and get away from this temporary one, the name and all that stuff can show up a little bit better. But here you can see, all the different headers and the blog and breadcrumbs and footers and your site identity. These are all the places where you can, set your logo. Here we can see, the site title and logo. We're right here. If we want to change this to something else, we don't have any images, but we could grab some free image. Let's just see if we can grab any kind of logo just to show you. There we go. We're gonna be alphabet for this. But again, this is not going to look good at all. But hey, you know what? This is where you would, literally upload your logo and, put it in there so that, again, it's customized to what you want. All right, so he's going to want us to crop that. Let's just crop it. Let's just do this and see what it looks like. Again, we got the same black background, but let's see how it shows up. Whoa, that looks big. What if we just bring down the logo width? Again, you can see we should definitely do a better logo than this, and it should be transparent, but you get the idea. This is where you can go and make changes and, create the blog that you want. So very simple. Very easy, lots of customizations. If you've never used WordPress before, it is definitely one of the most powerful content management systems out there. You really are able to do so much with plugins. There's just a ton. So I've got a whole bunch of other videos of the smart plugins that you need to get, including this, Sidekick by Google. This helps you, start to really, when you start to write content in your blog and you start to really get some traffic, or at least get good content, this Sidekick really helps you get traffic, helps you link up to Google, helps you see what people are searching for and how they're landing on your blog. So I got another video, check it out on my channel. That's definitely one to watch because it's going to really help you, get more traffic and analyze, what's coming in there. Lots of great plugins to show you, but that's for another time. So hope you found this easy and simple to follow. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel. I got lots more videos like this. If you want to set up your own hosting or account and do this, there's a link down below for that. You get 20% off. And I'm happy to help you, get this up and running. If you have any questions, just please reach out. Happy to see if we can get your blog up and running super fast and, working for you and your business. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.